back to the Florida CME Group here, the 5th of July. I'm Killer from Treasury Curve. Got cash? I can help. Hopefully everyone had a wonderful, safe 4th of July weekend. It was a great way. We had some awesome weather. Hope you got the chance to celebrate Independence Day and you flew that flag and you flew it proud. Let's get into the market today. You know, we're seeing a little bit of an overnight situation here. Moody's, don't know how much merit we put into Moody's anymore, but I think they're trying to get it out ahead of things now versus the 2008 being last one to the party. But nonetheless, they have raised concern over the Chinese local debt. They are currently seeing it's understated by about 540 billion, or about 3.5 trillion yuan. So we're looking at this, this market right here. It's kind of paused. We've seen a sensational move in the equities, the upside. If we look last Monday, the S&P was trading down at 1257. We are currently seeing this market fly right back up to the 1338 killer magnet, which was a part of many stories, the last couple months. We're seeing an 81 handle move. You don't see that, folks. You typically do not see that kind of move in a 1 week span. I think this week is imperative. We are seeing this Thursday ADP. Typically ADP is on Wednesday, but due to the holiday week, we pushed it back today. So we're seeing the Thursday ADP. We're seeing the Friday unemployment number. And in the event that unemployment number, we do see some positivity, that could cancel out the whole June situation. Because June, this soft patch, this quicksand patch, whatever you want to call it, it all started with the ISM number a month ago being weak, and it was confirmed with a job number. So we got a decent ISM number, not sensational, but 2 points better than consensus last week. So if we do see this job situation get a little better, we can really see this market continue to have wind in its sails. However, we are skeptical down here. The buzz amongst the traders that it's too much, too fast, just like every other move we have seen in this government intervention scenario the last couple of years. I really think, the treasuries, we don't see an auction this week, and that was a sensational move as well. The exact opposite, because it's an inverse relationship to the equity market. We have seen these yields really fly up. That 10-year yield was down at 2.86, went all the way up to almost 3 1/4. We're currently seeing, with no auction this week, Uncle Sam doesn't have any paper in the market, so we are currently seeing them grab this maybe oversold situation, a little bit of a bounce in the belly. The 10-year, a low of 121.31 and a high of 122.21 in the 30-year. 122.21 is the low, and currently the high is 123.14. If we look in the 30-year, and I tweeted a lot about this, and you can actually get me at The Killer, my Twitter account, but this 123.25 acts as a nice support level. Now we should treat this as resistance, folks. Anytime a great support level has to be used as a ceiling. So let's see if we can get back up there. In the event we get up there and rotate above 123.25, there could be some back and fill on the chart that we typically see in these over-exaggerated moves. The S&P, 1338 killer magnet, we talked about it. 81 handle move, sensational. We'll see if there's be some profit taking prior to this ADP number on Thursday, as well as the unemployment number. Maybe we can settle back down on the 100-day moving average, 50-day moving average at 1309, 1310 level. There should be some support there now. The euro currency, according to Wesley Haar, we're in the twilight zone. And you're right, Wesley. The euro currency is just kind of bouncing around, looking for direction. We got over the Greek austerity situation. Nonetheless, the Greek austerity situation, there's no true resolvement over there. So we're looking for that clarity continually. We obviously have the rest of the pigs still up in the air. So I think that's going to play out in this debt ceiling issue here domestically. All these different debt restructurings, they're going to restructure the whole maturity date. So all this is still coming here in the month of July. So be mindful of that. The crude oil, above that 94.83 level I tweeted out. We're well above that currently in the 96 handle. I think the target is 98.66. And in the event we touch that, we should get back above the buck. That is what the chart is saying. So it's a short holiday week, folks, but sometimes these short holiday weeks can be really volatile. So be nimble, be quick, and most importantly, be the hammer, not the nail.